Yo, hey, yo, son of YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this hair clipper from Bill Pro with a model number BL600. And from what I heard, this is a very, very good hair clipper. But still, I'm gonna tell you my own experience with this Bill Pro. I'm gonna tell you the pros and the cons. So stay tuned. So here it is. The box is very simple. Looks like this. You can see nothing really written on the sides. Okay. In the back, just the shaver, a small shaver. And still on the back, you got 6 guide combs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guide combs. Blade protector, a big brush, oil, and a charging cable. And here it's rating at 8 watts with 2500 milliamp battery. So I don't really know if maybe charging time is 3 hours and operating time 4 hours, or maybe it's opposite side. I don't know. So let's open the box and see what they got for us inside. All right. So inside you got a manual. Okay, it's all in Chinese language. This is the mini shaver. First of all, let's open the mini shaver. Something is written about the mini shaver. 8 minutes operating time and 1.5 hours charging time. USB Type-C. The model number of this shaver is BL400. So I haven't charged the mini shaver. Looks like this. See? The back. The side again. The bottom. Got 5 watts, 1.5 hours charging time, and 80 minutes operating time. So it looks like this. It should be a good one. Okay, when you turn it on, okay. If you want to turn it on, it doesn't, unless you press this red button. See that? Switching off, you don't need to press this red button. So, but switch on. And inside, if you've been following me on my Instagram, I made a short video about this shaver and I bought that one extra, or I didn't know that I'm gonna buy this one. So I got 2 and I gave that away already. And let's make an RPM test without the foil. So I'm using a wireless mic. So When I turn the sound on, it will turn on, but then my wireless mic will mute the sound of this thing. It's powerful. Okay. It's really powerful. And here, got a brush, a big one. Charging cable, USB Type-C. Oh, you got a big oil. This is good. This is the hair clipper. And this is for the battery, just for you to know where the battery level is. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. Build Pro. Power button. Charging port, a USB Type-C. 3 hours charging time and 4 hours operating time. 8 watts. So the lever, got clicker lever. Seems to be like a 4 clicker lever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. 4 clicking lever. And there's something written here. You can see. And got a, seems to be like a fade blade and taper blade. And it's a very thin, for me this is the thinnest blade I've ever seen. So now let's make a sound check, and I need to off my wireless mic. And now the sound check. Oh, before I forgot, got 2 speed. I guess the first one is 7,000 RPM and the second one is 9,000 RPM. So if it's true, then it's the fastest rotary motor ever. Okay, so 4 speed. Very smooth. 2nd speed. Okay. So now the RPM. 4 speed. Second speed. Now let's make a decibel test. So 4 speed. Second. before I forgot, this place is metal and this place is plastic. Got a little bit weight to it, not too heavy and not also light. Now you can see. And it's a very, very good hair clipper. Very good one. Very good. And the blade, the thinnest blade I've ever seen. Really thin. See? So, JRA is more robust than VGR, and VGR is more robust than Build Pro. You can see. So now, coming to my personal opinion about this hair clipper. It is one of the best, one of the best Chinese hair clipper ever, if not the best. This one. It feels good, slim, not robust or something like that. Got clicking lever, but only 4 clicking lever. That's one of the cons, because some people might like 5 clicking lever. Okay. And the big problem is, if you have this, if you want to buy this clipper just to do everything, and you don't want to change anything about this clipper, then it's not good. Because, okay, if you want to use the guards that comes with it, the guards are really good. Then it's okay. But as long as you change to other guards, like wall or I don't know, the one that doesn't have a magnetic, see? They don't fit really good. For the people who wants to know,
war blade fits on this clipper. Macho blade fits. Wild fox blade fits also. All blade fits. Okay. So this blade is very good. Very, very good. The problem with this blade is it's too thin, too pointy, too sharp. So with this blade, you can injure your client. So for me, I suggest when you have this clipper, when you buy this clipper, I'm going to leave a link on the description below. When you buy this clipper, you should change this blade, except you are very, very careful. Then it's all right. All right. So, peace, man.